Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Interview Specialist. So I'm just popping into one of our shops and I wanted to say hi to Gino and check out his box. Some people say, hey, RV techs, tools, right? So this guy's got one of the biggest, we'll say 4 boxes. Oh, look at that. He's gonna give you a quick tour of how clean it is, where mine's all thrashed. So, but yeah, we do care a lot about our customers and these coaches, and we invest a lot in ourselves. And so as you can see, like there's 3 toolbox areas here. Here's Zach. You can see how many multiple boxes he has. Gino's multiple boxes, all my mess that I've got here. So we're gonna start doing some videos on tools pretty soon, and we'll go over and do like each individual tool so that you guys can see what kind of tools we use. We'll get you some links in there because there's a lot of cool stuff that's not normal that people wouldn't use, stuff that's like, not really construction type stuff, right? Yeah. And not really automotive stuff, just stuff that
one-time use kind of tools.
Yeah.
If you're not in the trade,
But if they come in handy when you need them, so. Yeah. But all right, well, hey, stay tuned for more. And like I said, we'll get back with some tools. And this is just a little bit too. On the other side of the shop, there's 5 more guys over there. And we actually have a tool room that's a tool corral room. And it's full. We got tool walls. We got all kinds of stuff. So we'll get back in touch. And, in case you wondered, mine's a little dusty. But, mine's full too. When I get to work, which is not too often, other guys harass me about it, but I got drawers full of everything. So again, we'll get back to you and let you know what kind of fancy stuff. These are actually tool bags that I use on the go when I'm taking off on an airplane, or I'm going to do my expert witness inspections for different lawsuits. Sometimes it's for a consumer with an attorney. Sometimes it's for a dealership, and sometimes it's for a manufacturer. So anyway, stay tuned for more. And if you haven't seen, this is our we call it a 200 shop. And then we have a 110 shop, and we have another 610 shop that's all connected to our other building on the other side over there. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.